You know, just out of nowhere one day I said, I want to buy some land. I want to find somewhere way out in the middle of nowhere. I'd actually like to live off-grid. I'd actually like to live away from electric and water. I'd actually like to live away from people. I'd actually like to be self-sufficient and not tied to the grid. And I started thinking, man, I could dig my own well. I could do my own solar. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to get away from the financial life that they're stuck in. I also know that living off grid seems like a very attractive option. I think just like everything, it has its ups and downs, its pros and cons.
We forgot to put air in the tire on this four-wheeler. We need to turn around and go back and do that. I find this little foot pump easier than dragging out the compressor and the hose and all that stuff sometimes. What are you doing over there? Thinking about jumping in before you go ride? That feel better? Right. That feels better. Now we're ready to ride.
I know I can't speak for everybody on how they feel or how they want to live or what they want to do with their life. I guess I'm just trying to show you an alternative route of a less stressed life. You know, country living's always been a cool thing to me. I guess a lot of it's just going to be your preference.
Woo, that feels much better with that water.
I tell you what, I was 38 years old and I had nothing to my name. I owned nothing. I was pretty much stuck like a lot of you out there. I was just, you know, renting a house and making payments on a car. I thought to myself, how am I going to get out of this mess? A lot of people are already 10 and 15 years into payments on the house that they bought. And here I am, still living day to day and have nothing to show for it. So just on a hunch, I got online and just started looking up land for sale. And I started noticing that people were selling land with in-house finance, and you didn't have to have good credit or credit at all for them to finance you. They just wanted a 10% down payment. So in about a month, I was throwing a tent up on a piece of land that I owned. Well, now here I am 10 years later. Doing my own rainwater catchment. To me, water was going to be the most important thing. This one held 6,000 gallons. I figured the bigger I got, the better. Down the hill here, yep, I dug a pond. Yes, I was making payments on it, but I was thinking, man, this is mine. I actually get to keep this when it's paid off. And it doesn't begin to lose value like a car. Yeah, I bought a tiny shed, and I turned it into a house. Oh yeah, my wife loves this pool. This is her baby. Solar power? Yep, I studied it until I figured it out. I don't really know where we're going from here, but I know we're not going backwards. I'm doing these videos for entertainment, but I'm also doing them for those that want to get to that place of freedom. It's a feeling. It's a good feeling. It's a feeling of hope. Just do it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, lots to come.